What's happening, folks? What's happening? What's happening? Hey, good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you are. Um, right now, I'm in Tampa, Florida, just kind of kicking back. But I wanted to make this quick video to let you guys know about the training that I just put together for you. Um, it is a marketing training that goes through postcard marketing, which is tried and true. And everyone knows this. If you do postcard marketing, it works. It hits the mailbox, and people call back. As long as you do it consistently and you have an attractive marketing piece, and that's what I go over in this training. And I also go over how to use PropStream to systemize and streamline it. Okay, so I know the fancy tools of RVMs and cold calling and text messaging and all that. It still works. Everything really works, to be honest with you. You just have to be consistent with it. But I can vouch for postcards in my market and other markets. They still work as long as you do it consistently, as long as you have a nice, attractive marketing piece, which I go over. I give you everything, and this training is very affordable. It's very inexpensive. So wherever you're watching this, there should be a link somewhere. Go ahead and tap in and check it out. For the next 20 people, it's only $25. So it's less than a nice lunch, So just wanted to make this real quick. Gonna go ahead and enjoy the rest of my morning here in Tampa, but stay tuned for more videos, to talk about different marketing tools and things of that nature. But until then, see you in the next video.